Hello friends, welcome back to my trading channel. Today I'm going to share you with another new scanner. It's called Option Chain Scanner. So in this video we are going to see how it's working. In the Option Chain Scanner you can see stock. Here you can type any future and option stocks here, and bottom you can see open interest more strike call. That means which strike call having more open interest, that strike it will be shown here. Like that, which open interest more strike put, that will be shown here. And volume, if more volume is happening in call strike, it will show call. If it's put strike, then it will show put. And volume more calls is here, and volume more put show here. Okay, let's check one by one. First I'm going to check SBIN, then search here SBIN. Make sure you just type caps lock. Then you can see data tab. If it was home tab, just click to data tab and click refresh button, then wait it. See, the values change. That means open interest more strike is 380 call, and volume is call option. And here you can see volume more call is 360. 360 call having more volume, but open interest more strike is 380. So market is trading between this level. So those who are trading in options, you just choose either 380 strike call or 360 call. It show good movement. That's why some people are still confusing about how to pick the best call strike for option trading. So this can definitely help you to pick the best strike price. And another one, ITC, we are going to check. See, ITC open interest more strike and volume more are same, 300. Reliance, see, within second you can find. And this scanner no need for any terminal support. It's take data directly from NSE India website option chain. So it will be easily find out which strike have more open interest and which strike have more volume. And it's a live scanner, not an AOD scanner. It's a live scanner. It will be update live, so you can check in often. So if you find any stocks show good movement, suppose Adani Entertainment go showing good movement, then just open the scanner and Adani Entertainment, just search it. Okay, then you will get all details about Adani calls, Adani options. Okay, so now you got some idea about it. So this is just a scanner which help to pick best option strike, which strike have more open interest and which strike have more volume. So just select that particular strike for trading. It should show a good movement. And here right side you can see this is actually a calculator. Some people are booking profit 0.3%, 0.5%, 0.8%. So during the market time it will be take time to find the 0.3%, 0.5%. So if you are buy a stock 175 or 750, you just 750.40, just type here and enter. Then here you can see the targets. So if you book target 0.5%, then just place 3.75, and if you are booking 0.3%, then 2.25, that's the target. Any number, 125 stocks. Okay, here it will be show the target. This is just for a calculator which help to put target easily, and it will help to calculate target very easily. I recommend to put target 0.5%. Okay, so to say 87 stock, see 1.40 is the target. Just place it like that way. It's working. And from where you can download this scanner, you just visit nicholasnilo.com. There screener section you can see NSE scanner. This NSE, all scanners are working with the Excel. No need for any terminal support. It's take data directly from NSE India website, and you can see so many scanners here. This is open interest scanner, and this one is buy sell scanner based on open interest, and this scanner is based in, it's give buy sell signal based on open interest. And this is a max paying scanner for option sellers. So those who don't know about Max Pain scanner, you just search it on Max Pain strategy on YouTube, you will get it. And this scanner mainly used for expiry day. And NSE online scanner with sound alert. Some people are want to sound alert, that's why I just given this one. So whenever it's near to buy or sell level, it will alert the sound. And this is NSE market watchdog. It will help to analyze the all market and trends. And this is a Nifty 50 breakout scanner. What are the stocks are breakout, that will be shown here. And if you have any doubt about how it's working, you just type Nifty 50 breakout scanner Nicholas Nilo on YouTube. Any scanner name plus Nicholas Nilo on YouTube, you will get the working video. And the final one, we made this one, option chain analyzer. This option chain scanner. Click here, you can download the file and use it. Okay, and this is a calculator. It will help to find target easily. So if you book 0.5%, 0.8% or 0.3%, it's very easily you can calculate. Okay, so hope you liked this video, and if you have any doubt, do send a mail to nicholasnilo2017@gmail.com. Also visit my website nicholasnilo.com. And those who didn't join my Telegram channel, just click the link below in the description box. I given the link below. Okay, that's it for today. Thank you for watching. I will be back with another trading strategy. Till then, have a nice day. Bye bye.